Box is 2014 Absolute Memorabilia. I think 14 they switched it to one pack, or maybe that was, I don't remember. There's either one or four packs. I think they might have switched it to one pack. And they did. Just the one mini box pack. (2014) Absolute. Gonna have, I think, usually 2 autos, 2 jerseys. 10 cards total. Another Super Bowl reporter card. Alright, ton of cards. See if there's... Alright, couple inserts on the back. Had to peek to make sure. Grabbed all the inserts. Alright, 2014 Absolute. I'm gonna have 10 cards. Let's go this way. First one looks like an insert for the Cowboys. Dez Bryant, DeMarco Murray. Oh, quad. And you got Jason Witten and Troy Aikman on the back. 20th anniversary. Not numbered. Cowboys. Bryant, DeMarco, Jason Witten, and... oh, actually, Tony Romo, not Troy Aikman. Tony Romo. I was going to say that was a little weird to have Troy Aikman on a card with 3 current players. Hog Heaven for the Patriots. Tom Brady. Not numbered. Tom Brady. Looks like just a base card. Greg Jennings. And it is base. Got a rookie for the Giants. Corey Washington. Corey Washington for the Giants. Not numbered. Got a parallel for the Chargers. Keenan Allen. Numbered out of 99. Keenan Allen for the Chargers out of 99. And it looks like the hits might start here. Backwards. There it is. Alright. For the Dolphins, Jarvis Landry quad jersey. Looks like one of them might have a little stitching. For the Dolphins, numbered out of 249. Jarvis Landry. Nice hit. Next one, backwoods. Let's see. Nice. 6 jersey patch for the Jaguars. Marquise Lee. Marquise Lee for the Jags. Sextuplet, maybe. 6 jerseys. Out of 199. Just got one. That middle slot has a 2-color patch. Marquise Lee for the Jaguars. Next one. Hit number 3. A 3rd jersey card. This one looks like a nice one. Leather and lace for the Broncos. Cody Latimer. Numbered out of 49. Nice hit. Looks like a piece of shoelace and a ball. Nice card. Cody Latimer for the Broncos. Numbered out of 49. And looks like we might have a bonus hit. Couple bonus hits. Nice box. Next hit for the Bucks. Who is that? Austin Seferian-Jenkins. 6 jerseys. One of them again has a patch. This one, what's that? The numbering's really faded, but I think it's out of 20. I think it's supposed to be 19 out of 20 or 9 out of 20, but they didn't really stamp it that good. Really hard to make out. Austin Seferian-Jenkins, 6 jersey patch. Numbered out of 20, I believe. Really hard to make out the serial number though. Looks like it didn't strike right. Alright. 250 points. That one will get randomed off. I think this is our first time hitting a points card. Panini Rewards, 250 points. And one more card still. Oh, and it's a nice one. For the Panthers, Kelvin Benjamin. Auto jersey. Numbered out of 99. Kelvin Benjamin. Nice hit for the Panthers.